One of the first projects we worked on over the last couple of weeks was to put a new water tank in one of the pastures for the animals.
Autumn rain falling on the rooftops, calling birds of summer back south to wander. It's a chance to start again on the wing of remembering. All the plans that we made in summer, they are shining memories, calling to each other. Trouble disappear in your atmosphere. Falling leaves, the horizon's on fire below. I hold on tightly to all that I've come to know. How we feeling? The stillness, something special in the spell of the night. It's elemental, wild world in its perfect mess. It's the little things that make it all worth it. That make it all worth it.
We also started working on our garden again. We had to place the plastic down to keep the weeds out. We also reinstalled our irrigation and planted numerous types of plants: tomatoes, beans, cilantro, lettuce, kale, carrots, and others.
World of memories, all in perfect design. I hold on tightly to all that I've come to find. How we feeling? Stillness, something special in the spell of the night. It's elemental, wild world in its perfect mess. It's the little things that make it all worth it. How we feeling? The stillness, something special in the spell of the night. It's elemental, wild.
Check out our homemade drill press. We had 40 bolts that we had to put through the C channels in order to secure the containers together. It took several days.
Make it all worth
Now that the containers have been placed on their piers, we are preparing and getting ready for our little garden area, more so flowering trees and flowering plants in this general vicinity. So you can see Jerry is taking down one of the magnolia trees where we will put the cassia trees, and I'll show them to you in a minute. And we just purchased this golden rain tree. It's a beautiful tree that blooms in the fall, and we put that in here this morning. Over here we have our staging area for our other trees that we are going to be transplanting soon. So you can see the yellow cassia. It's a beautiful tree. I fell in love with it when we went to our local Brian Ace's garden center. Yellow. These are the eastern rosebuds, this one and this one, and they are going to go over in the general vicinity of the sign. So the cassias are going to go by where the magnolia is coming down. We also have the crepe myrtles, which we purchased from the local women's club. These are flowering trees in the spring, and they will go over there behind the golden rain, kind of lining one of the driveway areas. Right around there. Okay, the magnolia is down, and it's in piles that are manageable for Jerry to pick up with the grappler, and then we bring them back to our burn pile in the back 10 acres. So you'll see him coming in and out, and then we'll have our front area pretty much cleared. Another project we worked on since you saw the last video is irrigation in our front area. We had a line put in to the front gate where we have some azaleas that we planted and have plants for other trees and flowers as well. So we needed irrigation there.
Look how the evening pours in so fast when you're alone with me. Gonna drive down the long road, stop at every town, try and find a piece of me inside the ones who I
Okay, meet the latest addition to our family. These are Rhode Island Reds. We're hoping by spring they'll be large enough and ready enough to produce some eggs. We lost some chickens when we went away for our kind of 3-week vacation. You know, we let them roam, and you know, part of the whole circle of life, something gone.
Wait until the shovel hits the ground, then we know where it is.
Oh, I would meet you anywhere, anytime, just to feel.
You're with a French call. Amazing concert call. You are such a deceiver. There are 15 people in this house, and you're the only one who has to make trouble.
Oh, hello.